As you are designing the game, you will need to make sure that the size of the elements in the game are responsive and adapt to different screen sizes. Start by creating an arrow function called proportional size that takes in a size parameter. So we can do that by writing the keyword const and then the name of the function, which is the proportional size, and then an equal sign here, and then a parenthesis, and then an arrow pointing to the right, and then the curly braces, and don't forget the semicolon. And inside the parenthesis is where we always input our argument or parameter. Again, what is the difference between the argument and a parameter is that a parameter is a placeholder, which means uh, it, which means it the value will change over time, whereas argument is the value itself. Okay, so I hope you get that right. If you still have questions, feel free to comment down below and I will answer it with the best. Okay, nice.